Have you spent hundreds of dollars on a BAM musical instrument case only for this to happen when you're lifting the case out of a car? Well, today I'm going to show you how to replace your Subway style handle for a high impact BAM instrument case. First things first, you're going to need to order a replacement handle from BAM directly. I'll include that link down below. Before we start replacing anything, make sure your instrument is out of the case. You don't want to accidentally have the case fall and then potentially damage your instrument. So this just came in the mail from BAM. As you can see, this is the silver variety, but this handle also comes in black. I just wanted it to match the rest of the case. Let's see what all is included. Very nice. 2 of these. This looks like the things that attach to the case itself. And then we have some little rods and washers right here. Felt with adhesive on it as well. I couldn't find any videos online how to do this, so it appears to be fixed on the inside of the case. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open up the case. We're gonna carefully pull back. Oh my God, dude, really? God. Okay. I'm crashing out. This is a major design flaw. Y'all can see like what happened. I just pulled like a little bit too aggressively here. This just snapped this part here. Kept just repeatedly getting pulled and then it just eventually snapped off. And unfortunately, we have to replace the entire handle. I would like to replace these two because that's all that I really need to do. But in order to do that, I'd have to take these out and like drill through these rivets, which doesn't make any sense. So we have to take it apart. I'm using a screwdriver to gently pull the case foam and like the glue. I'm trying not to rip any fabric. I didn't think this was going to be that involved, actually. There we go. Yo, I thought this was going to be a 10-minute fix, and it's turning into like a 3-hour thing. Like literally, bro, I just want a handle that works, and I thought this was gonna be so easy, and it's not. So I just discovered that I do not, in fact, own the tools necessary in order to repair this case. So I'm gonna take it to a cobbler and suitcase repair shop, and hopefully they can fix it. We need like a punch rivet, we need all kinds of specialty equipment, and it's almost impossible to get to with like a screwdriver and a set of pliers. I'm just gonna take it to a shoe repair shop. So I encourage you to do the same, but at least order the spare parts from BAM first. Oh my God, guys, I just crashed out so hard with that. Take it to a shoe or luggage repair shop. There is no way that I can replace this with the equipment I have here on my own. I'll keep y'all updated. All right, well, we gotta take it to the cobbler, so let's put everything back in the bag. Bro, this case is, first of all, this case is overpriced. Second of all, the storage isn't spectacular. Third of all, like the mute storage right here, it takes off the cork on my mutes because it's so freaking tight. When you are taking out your horn, the mouthpieces aren't super secure and sometimes, you know, can rock that way. It's like when you pay that much money for a case, you think it at least should just like last forever. Frustrating. Yeah.
12 hours later, we went to Carrol Co. in Southcenter, a luggage repair shop. They even had a dog named Sheldon. He's super helpful. These guys know what they're doing. We took our BAM case to Carrol Co. here in Southcenter. It says it's going to be ready in about a week. I was like, yeah, I think this like requires punch rivets and I don't have that. And he was like, yeah, it looks like screws and we might use all the hardware, we might not. And I'm like, yeah, you guys do what you got to do. You know what's up. And that's way better than sending it all the way back to BAM. So shout out Carrol. Let's see what y'all do. I'm excited. Okay, y'all, we are back at Carrol Suitcase Repair in Seattle, Washington. I just got the text from them last night that our case is done. So I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, that looks incredible.
check it out. You should be holding like new.
Oh my God, look at that.
$44.75 plus tax.
Perfect. Awesome. Wow. It's good as new. All right, y'all. Well, moral of the story is when you can't fix something on your own, go to the pros. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me crash out and go on this little adventure. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I want to hear what your most recent crash out was in the comments below. So I look forward to reading those. Bye for now, guys. Have a good one.